Good evening, I'm Jack Harty and the subject lead here at Trinity for Geography. Do you need to take Geography at GCSE? The answer is no. You have to choose between History and Geography in Block 1, but that doesn't mean you can't take both. As you can see, Geography is also in the Block 2 options, but we really hope you do choose Geography. We will be using the AQA exam board at Trinity, and the specification is broken into 3 categories: living with a physical environment, living with the human environment, and geographical applications. Within these, we have some hugely exciting topics to offer, many of which we have had exposure to at Key Stage 3, but they have the ability to dive into them deeper within the GCSE course. What will you study within these units? Within the unit on challenges of natural hazards, you will learn about earthquakes, tsunamis, and hurricanes. You will investigate how they're caused, the effect on people, and how people respond, seeking to answer some of the questions you see on screen. Within the unit on the living world, you will learn about tropical rainforests and deserts. You will investigate the unique biomes they have created and how they're used by people and wildlife, whilst finding out about the threats these places currently face, seeking to answer some of the questions you see on screen. Within this unit on the physical landscapes within the UK, you will learn about rivers and coasts. You will investigate the processes that go on in these places, as well as how we interact and are threatened by them, seeking to answer some of the questions you see on screen. This unit also opens up a fantastic opportunity for us to gain some fieldwork experience. Getting outside the classroom and embedding learning in real-world situations is something that geography achieves above all other subjects. We will gather data and investigate theory and practice using the latest digital technology and techniques. Within the unit on urban issues and challenges, you will learn about 2 important cities in the world today: Bristol in the UK and Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. You will investigate the opportunities they create, as well as the challenges they currently face and may face into the future, seeking to answer some of the questions you see on screen. AQA built their spec around Bristol as the UK example. This gives our students a fantastic advantage over other students sitting the same GCSE around the country due to their real-world lived experience. This unit obviously also opens up another opportunity to gain some fieldwork within our city. Our fieldwork in Bristol is centred around the Temple Quarter Enterprise Zone and other regeneration projects that are taking place within our city, giving students a brilliant opportunity to find out more about where they live. Within the unit on the changing economic world, you will learn about development, globalization, businesses, jobs, and technology. You will investigate how these bring the world together to create global opportunities, but also challenges and issues with regards to growing gap between rich and poor nations, seeking to answer some of the questions you see on screen. Within the unit on challenges of resource management, you will learn about oil, gas, and other natural resources. You will investigate how they're created and harvested, used, and more importantly, how our future consumption of resources can be sustained. The unit has both UK and a global focus, seeking to answer some of the questions that you see on screen. There are 3 exams for GCSE Geography. These are Exam 1 on the Physical Geography of Learnt, which is an hour and 30 minutes long, Unit 2 paper, which is on the Human Geography, which is also an hour and 30, and Paper 3, which is on Geographical Applications, an hour and 15 minutes long, which focuses on fieldwork understanding and a decision-making exercise. These exams are a mix of question styles, from multiple choice and short answer questions to longer written questions of 4, 5, and 6 marks. The longest question you will encounter is a 9-mark question, but we've already begun writing to that length and skill level, so this should be nothing to fear. Geography is a subject where all can be successful. There are a few ways, however, that we can be more successful. These are to maintain an interest in the world around you, to work on becoming an all-rounder and committed to areas that you may find tricky, to be critical in our thinking and practice our inquiry-based skills, and to analyse and assess evidence thoroughly. We need to focus on maths because we also work with numbers, and to continue perfecting our extended writing. There are no compulsory extra resources that need to be gathered. The textbook is kept at school, but should you wish to invest further, there are many resources available. And I leave you with this quote. Geography explains the past, illuminates the present, and prepares us for the future. What could be more important than that? Michael Jordan, Mother Teresa, Amelia Earhart, and Sir David Attenborough all believe so and all studied geography, and have all gone on to do amazing things because of it. What amazing things will you do because you chose to study geography?